What is up, my shred heads? Welcome back to the channel. We are back on the Surron. Today's ride, we are going to be learning how to wheelie. Right now we're catching up with our homie Jeff and Matt the mechanic. I hope you guys stick along for the rest of this fun little journey we're going to be on. I'm going to be practicing the hell out of wheelies because I got them down so good on the Super 73. Check this out right here. So definitely gotten a lot better on the 73 doing wheelies, and I think I could bring it over to the Surron. That was a fun little ride. Rear brake, definitely I can feel the oil all over it, bro. It's on my rear rotor because I have, see how my fucking chain is just covered in nasty, just like black oil everywhere. All that shot all over my rotor, like all up under here. And I want to practice wheelies today, and I don't trust that rear brake. '72 versus 60 volt. Oh my God, I'm on 8,000 watts. Holy shit! If you guys are wondering what is powering our Surrons like this, I got the BAC 4000 from Greenline Engineering. As you can see, this app right here is a Greenline Engineering app where you can control the Surron through that app. You can put this bike in reverse, park, neutral, and drive. Soon I'll be having a 72 volt battery on this, so I can swap between 72 and 60 volt on the go very easily. And if you guys are interested in upgrading your Surron or Talaria or any e-bike you have with a bigger and more powerful battery, check out that link down below for Chai Battery Systems. Use code Shreddie, get 5% off your order. And if you are interested in Greenline Engineering's BAC 4000 or 8000, use code Shreddie, get 5% off your order over there too. All links are down below.
What do you average speed-wise on this thing?
On this bike, I say between like 20 and 40, I'd say. Oh, here? I don't know. I guess we can go like 35, 40. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. We can go as fast as we want until we see a cop. That's what happens when people don't understand that your bikes are so fast. Man, I love these fast bikes, guys. And also, I'm just going to tell you everything that's on this Surron that I've upgraded. So, of course, this Surron is in stock. I got the 60 volt, 60 amp hour battery from Chai Battery Systems. I have the Shinko 241s on here. The 2-inch riser bars from Grid Shift. Upgraded seat from Cycleworks. And I think that's all. And then I got a bunch of flashlights up here in the front. So if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, I got links down below for all of it. Oh, you got the new Red Bulls. Yeah, let's go. Yo, this new Juneberry Red Bull destroyed, and it was good. So I do got to get those wheelies down a little bit slower. All right, right now we're headed to this like little, beautiful little nook in Dewey Beach, up Route 1, called Tower Beach. I forgot to tell you guys, he was running 18 kilowatts versus my 8 kilowatts. Wow, this is beautiful.
This is the kind of riding I like to do.
So check this out, guys. This is a horseshoe crab from southern Delaware.
Is someone living on top of him?
It's like got barnacles. I'm pretty sure it's still alive. So that's his eyeballs right there. Did they try to poke you? Ah, no, I'm just kidding. So we've acquired Matt the mechanic. Now we have 3 Surrons. All right, break time is over, so we're gonna head back. I might get on the wheelies again. $15 kilowatts versus 13?
I'm at 13.
13 kilowatts, 72 volts, 60 volt, 8 kilowatts. So we're gonna see a big difference in this.
All right, let's go.
All right, Marcus, let's go. You're not at 13. 13, holy shit. And he was at what? 15. 15? Oh, you gotta tune his up then.
It's all about throttle ramping and motor tuning and stuff.
This is what you call totally legal. That's the guy that owns a Talaria. Normally I don't ride on the street like this, guys. But it's actually a lot of fun. I just want to learn wheelies. Yes! That was a power wheelie, but whatever, dude. It's getting brave. It's getting me brave.
Are you guys okay with riding in the lanes? Or would you rather?
I mean, I'm not used to it, but...
Okay. It depends on traffic and how tight stuff is.
If you guys will jump off a bridge, I'll follow you guys to the ends of this.
All right,
guys, right now we are headed to drop Jeff off at a street, then we're gonna go back to the woods, then we're gonna rip. I'm at 54%, starting to feel the range anxiety right now. Damn, I am so happy to be out on the Surron, guys. You don't know how much I miss riding this fast. Comment down below if you guys like my Surron content, Super 73 content, or any other e-bike content. What happened?
It's a fucking bug. Like,
in your helmet?
fucking helmet in my ear.
Are you serious? Ah! Oh, that's the worst. I've had that happen, but in my shirt, but it was like a fucking, like a hornet, and it kept on stinging me every time my shirt flapped. Let's try a little mini wheelie. Dude, I'm starting to get it. I just got to hit that balance point, guys. And now, there goes Iqbal. He is out, everybody. Yes. Oh my God, having the Surron back here is so much more better feeling than the Super was. I'll do one of these right quick because last time I got the smallest tick on me, last time I did this, and Shreddie hates ticks. Yo, whoever built this is the coolest. Whoa. Double bump. Like the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. Here's like the sand pits, guys. I've been playing a lot of Gran Turismo. So I've been learning about wheel slippage and throttle control. Will that translate over well to surrounding? This is like deep in the woods. We can camp here. All right, guys, I'm at like 39%. The range anxiety is definitely real. All right, met the mechanic. I'll see you on the next ride, brother.
Ready?
There's a little kid driving that thing, like a little 5-year-old girl. Yo. So soon I will be getting the 72 volt Gladiator Gen 2 battery, but it's gonna be a 38 amp hour, which will be a little bit lighter. And I'm wondering if it'll be easier to wheelie the bike with the lighter battery. Since this is a 60 amp hour battery, this battery is heavy. Here's another thing that I've been taught, the foot drag wheelies, to learn how to get it to 12 o'clock. But I just feel like the weight is so weird for me, but I'm gonna try just a little. And then it turns into a power wheelie. What was that? Sometimes it's safer to ride on the sidewalk. Definitely got to do some maintenance on his bike very soon. That chain, so dirty, so loose. Got new front forks from Fast Ace, new brakes, new rotors from Fast Ace, new extension swing arm coming soon. Hit this junk. All right. Where we at? This says I'm at 48%, but I doubt that. I really doubt that. When the battery, the tri-batteries display says I'm at 29. Which one's more correct, guys? And don't lean forward when you do it. Just stay leaned back, I guess. Power wheelie again, guys. All right, guys, that's the end of that fun little ride on the Surron. I'm so glad we are back on the Surron, guys. I hope you guys are as happy as I am to see me back on my Surron. I definitely got to get some more wheelie practice in with the Surron, but I think with how comfortable I am with wheeling the Super 73 RX, I'm definitely gonna get it on this. I just got to get my mind cleared and just keep practicing. But I'm gonna get home, get this battery charged up. I'm gonna get it back out. I'm gonna practice a few more wheelies before the end of the night is over. But as always, if you guys want to support the channel, check out that link down below for a Chai Gladiator battery. Use code Shreddie, get 5% off your order. And if you're interested for a Surron of your own, check out that link down below from Built E-Bikes, get $50 off your order. If the Surron isn't for you, check out all those other links down below. There might be a bike you like. And as always, if you guys enjoyed that content, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and ringing that notification to be notified when I'm making videos. And are you guys ready for the moment of silence for the subscribe button? In 3, 2, 1, hit subscribe, heads down. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next Sur ride.